If you're ready to jump in and start dating on Facebook, but it is not showing up, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Let's open up the Facebook app here. And you should be able to see at the very bottom Facebook dating. Or if you tap on your profile at the bottom right, you should be able to see Facebook dating. You might need to hit the see more. If you don't see Facebook dating anywhere in here, there's some reasons why. The first thing you can do is open up a web browser and go to Facebook dating requirements. So there's an entire help page on Facebook. There are some requirements. You have to be at least 18 years or older. You have to have a good account standing for at least 30 days. And you have to live in a country where Facebook dating is available. Lastly, if you delete your Facebook dating profile, you can't make a new one for 7 days. Now, just look through this list and make sure that your country is listed on here. You can see there's a lot of different countries, and I'm in the United States, so I am good to go. Now, to find Facebook dating, again, tap on your profile at the bottom right, and I accidentally switch back here. And then go down, hit the see more, and Facebook dating should be right around here. So you can always hit the get started. If it doesn't show up, all you need to do is check your settings. So let's scroll to the bottom here, tap on settings and privacy at the bottom, and then we'll tap on settings. We're gonna make sure that you didn't hide it. So let's scroll down and you're gonna look for the tab bar, or it might say the navigation bar. Tap on tab bar here and tap on customize the bar. Now on here, you should be able to scroll through, and if you see dating on this list that you have hidden it, make sure that you unhide it. You can see I don't see it on this list, but if you did, just tap on it and make sure to tap it on the pin so you can pin it to your tab bar. Now, if any of these don't work, the last thing I would recommend doing is heading into your settings, and then we're going to tap on the general option here. From the general option, tap on iPhone storage, and we're going to find that Facebook app because there might be a bug or glitch in it. So just tap on Facebook, and then we're going to offload this app and reinstall it. This force updates it to the latest version and fixes a ton of bugs and glitches in the app, including that dating not showing up.